them, cut them, and chop them down. Grapes are tiny, in bunches they grow. Pop them in your mouth, they make you glow. Watermelon is big, green on the outside, but juicy and red with seeds to hide. Mangoes are golden, smooth and sweet, a tropical treat, it can't be beat. Cherries are small with a bright red hue. Pop them in your mouth and enjoy the view. Peaches are soft with a fuzzy skin. Take a bite and let the juiciness begin. Plums are purple with a sweet tart bite, a perfect fruit for day or night. Avocados are creamy, green and neat. In salads or on toast, they're a tasty treat. Kiwi is fuzzy with the green inside. Take a scoop and enjoy the ride. Coconuts are brown with water inside. Drink it up and feel refreshed worldwide. Fruits are healthy, fruits are fun, so let's eat them one by one. From juicy to sweet, from soft to tart, fruits fill our hearts with joy and art.